Acapello. Yeah. I I uh, I I forgot, I forgot how to say it because he said it wrong. I couldn't think of how to say it right. I was like, oh, I know this. I know this. All right, we are live. Sorry, everyone. We kind of came into the mid conversation there. It's all good. So welcome to a very late night dev stream, but nonetheless, welcome, welcome. We are working on some more TetraForce stuff tonight. I got both Click and Joseph B with me tonight, just kind of hanging out, just to have fun. We're mostly just going to be chilling out, doing a little bit of work, but I will be trying to finish up the barrel puzzle that I started last week. So if you watched last week's episode, you'll kind of see us working on all that. But yeah, today I'm animating the water for the dungeon. So let's get into that. But yeah, other than that, things have been a little bit slow, haven't they? I've been so busy, I haven't really been able to work on anything. Unfortunately. I have to make this in tile setter, and I don't remember how to use tile setter now. Oh, but it's got one open right now. Wonder if I can do I have to import? So do I have to import? See, my issue is that I have it in an actual tile set, not separate, and I don't remember separating them last time. Oh, maybe that's what I did. That's what I did. Now that you mention it, I just like copied. I need a grid. View grid. Wait, show grid, right? Yeah. Do I not have snap to grid on? Let's see here. I am sitting like the weirdest person right now. My arm is like kind of like right there, like that, and then build border with blobs, and then I need to replace or paste. It's been so long since I've done this. Oh yeah, that's right. And then oh, that's right, and it adds it to that. That's right. See, like you're reminding me of how this works. It is handy. Like it makes a really nice blob set. Yeah. Well, they're all slightly different though. I don't want it to be the same. Yeah. Yeah, they're all slightly different. I see what you're saying, but I like variety. Oh, why did it do that? Oh, you're right. I didn't change this one. This one, please. No. Oh, I have to rotate it. That's right. Rotation. Yeah, it used to be. I was gonna say it used to be like actually say like 90 to 360. I believe. Maybe it didn't, and I'm just crazy. I thought it did though. Or it was a drop down list or something, maybe. I don't remember. Maybe. Why is this one not? It's like it should be like this, but down there. Yeah, it's the right line. Why is it flipping it weird? It goes up there for some reason. It's still wrong. What is happening? Oh, it's just like here. Look at it. It's like backwards, and it shouldn't be. Hold on. Let me do this one. Yeah. See, it's doing it here now too. It's like offsetting it. Right cutoff 0. No. See, it's in the right spot when I push this, but then it's like flipped weird. That's peculiar. No, because then it pops it over here for some reason. What is going on? I feel like it's glitched. I've never encountered that before. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna try. Probably. Let's try the full block. It did fix it. Well, hold on here. We'll see what happens. If it looks weird, then I'll have to do something else. But yeah, that's what. Whichever you are. Oh, see, yeah, actually, because there's transparency on this in the corners too, right? Because I was selecting, I wasn't doing the whole thing, so it was making it weird. I guess I'll just be consistent. Let's be consistent. Oops. Yeah, I think this will work. Yeah, it wouldn't have worked the same. There we go. See, and I could go even further and make the corners. I have done that in the past too. Might as well. See, now I don't recall. Yeah, well, I think that's what I did in the past. I can't remember how I animated. I don't remember. I'm pretty sure I animated just the my ace spray blob. I wish I could remember how I did it. I feel like this would be easier to animate than trying to animate this thing. Just making three separate, or is it three? Yeah, I did three. So it's 3 frames, but I don't remember where I animated it, and that's when I'm like, oh, go back to, because it's not in here. I don't think water. Is there any kind of water? Waterfall. Yeah, that's why I couldn't remember if I animated this separately and I just kept re-importing it or whatever. I did it there was an efficiency to it. I know that much. I did it in a way that it was like not difficult for me to animate. I just don't remember how that was. It's been so long. unfortunately. Oops, I didn't. There we go. To start, anyways. Yeah. I was wondering what you've been up to. Let's see here. Where's my Discord? Watch stream. Here, I'm gonna show it because it's cool. Just give me a second. Let me break it out before you talk. Pop out. There. That should be up. Yeah. That it could be. Oh, nice. That's funny. That's it. That's all. Well, that's super cool though. Like the fact that you got that all working in like Godot is pretty sweet. And like to have her. Right. Yeah. Yeah. No, that's really cool. I like it a lot. That's funny. I've been so I hooked up. I had an old laptop, and I wanted to play Chrono Trigger, and I could have honestly I could have like I have a Super Nintendo and all the stuff I need. And my brother owns Chrono Trigger, so I could have gone through all the trouble of that. But the problem is it's not HD, right? So I would need to find a way to. I don't think my TV now has any way of doing a VGA input. I'd have to do some kind of adaptation. Um, so what I did is I had an old laptop and I got the like emulator and ROM and everything working, and then hooked it up the laptop up to my TV, so that's like basically like a giant monitor. I have a USB Super Nintendo controller and a USB extension cord, so I can play while I'm lying down in bed and just chill and have like Chrono Trigger on my big TV and like HD, and it's awesome. It's super enjoyable. It makes me very happy. And I've never actually, well, I mean, you know this, but I haven't beat a lot of games myself. I watched my brother play through Chrono Trigger lots of times, but I've never actually beaten it myself. So it's fun to actually kind of go through and play it for myself. Uh, I wish I could remember how I did this much easier. I know how I can do it. I don't think it's as easy as I used to do it. So now I can export this. Uh, what? Come back. Export image. What does export Godot do, anyways? Is it like? Oh, okay. Interesting. Sorry, I'm just gonna move this. Right, right. Let's see here. Also, by the way, Joseph, with you having a better mic, it's you're so much more clear. Other like Joseph B, because you got a new mic. You got AWS or AWS. ASMR. AWS ASMR. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Dungeon auto tile one. All right. Let's see. Wait, dungeon auto tile one already exists. Oh, I see. I guess this is gonna be dungeon one. Naming things is fun. Okay. So I think what I should do here. I'm so lost right now. Can't think straight. I guess what we're gonna do is separate this into its own thing. Make a new layer. I think we're going to use that. Oh, I only made the other dungeon one too. View. What am I trying to do here? Show grid. We're gonna try and cheat a little bit. Basically just copy and paste. And cause the difference. So it's so confusing when there's two Joseph. Point click. So how you with that with obviously you still have some messing around to do with the randomizer, but if you were to like implement that into like TetraScript or something like that, how hard would that be? Is it pretty how the logic's actually working? I see. Right. And that's all done with C sharp, right? So do you have to kind of manually assign uh, the logic? Yeah. Like got it. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, he seems to be. Yeah, he's pretty extensive for sure. He seems to be pretty into that, which is cool. have to think what we're gonna do. Can I merge them? Merge down. Yeah, because I really like that stuff, but it is definitely a lot to learn. Like, there's a reason why there's multiple developers on those games, spending like so much time on it, like pretty much endless amount of time on it. And like even the Link to the Past one, like they're on like version like 30 something now, I think. I don't know. Is development on the Link's Awakening one still happening, or is that just like a one and done type of thing? Yeah, it was not the same. I imagine there must be ongoing work on that. Really? I've never honestly looked into it. Oh, geez. Yeah, the Link to the Past one has quite a bit. Like they obviously have entrance shuffle as well. I think Link's Awakening they just added that, didn't they? Yeah, they just added the entrance shuffle. Um, but yeah, like A Link to the Past has like the key sanities where all the keys are shuffled. They added classic mode, so like keys are generic. You just find the keys in the world and they can be used for any dungeon. And yeah, and like they also have it so that arrows cost rupees, like the Zelda one. So like that's another thing. They also have shop sanity in it. Well, they have shop sanity in Ocarina of Time as well, but they just added shop sanity to A Link to the Past. So that's cool. You'd have to spend some time playing a vanilla version of it. Yeah, it's a it. It's a yeah. Ocarina of Time and Majora's Mask I feel like would be hard runs to like get good at. Like you could probably like stumble your way through it, but yeah, yeah. Yeah, that sounds absolutely terrifying. Yeah, yeah, fair enough. I just realized, hi, cool ND. I didn't realize he was in the chat there. I don't know how long ago he said hi. My bad. Hi. um, yeah, so you're gonna have a fairly decent tracker then to go off of. I can't remember what the tracker was that I found. What was the tracker called that I was using? I don't remember. Yeah, maybe that's what it was. Because I know it had Link's Awake. The whole reason I got was for Link's Awakening when we were doing it. I don't know if it was. It must have been. Let me see here. Let's go to. Yeah, it is Emo Tracker. Like that thing has so many games on it. Yes. Yeah. Oh, there's an update. Yeah, see, it's got like the Link's Awakening stuff. It's pretty cool. I actually really like these. It's very neat. I feel like it would have taken a lot of work to develop all these too. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. It's not actually like yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. So even just adding that feature in itself would be something, but you could go even further. Very cool. All right, now here's the million-dollar question with this water. I can't remember. I think I must have just duplicated one of the other ones and changed the texture, perhaps. We're gonna find out. Our game's getting big. It takes forever to load. Yeah, the damn artist keeps making things for it. Just what? Yeah, probably you're right. Well, if the Godot tile stuff is so much better, then we'll be good. We'll be golden. Not that this will ever get to be on 4, but some iteration of it, perhaps. Perhaps. Let's just rewrite it again. Let's start over for the 20th time. I mean, this is like technically what version of yours? Like you've redone it. That's funny. All right, let's duplicate this guy. Dungeon one water. I don't know if this is how I did it. I don't remember. I must have just duplicated it. And then now I need to change the tile. You can't just change it, can you? I forgot. Like you have to actually. Yeah. Yeah. The whole thing. Oh, that's right. No, I don't remember. So I can just edit the text file though, right? Now that I duplicated it. Yeah. Okay. Let's find it here. 1 second, guys. Um. Tiles. This particular one does, yeah. The one that I duplicated had 2, and this one will have 2. So that's good. Oh yes. Okay. That's the import. Where am I going here? Dungeon. I did dungeon 1. Dungeon 1 water right here. Uh, paste. Oh, rename. Hold on. Maybe it did make one already. Dungeon 1. So dungeon 1 water, dungeon 1 water, .tres. Uh, oh, it's at the very top. Jeez, I don't know why I can never find it. Why is everything opening up in my other window? Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, right here. So dungeon 1, dungeon 1. Until 1, until 2. Yeah. Save. Oops, this one. Wait, how come I didn't update it? Oh, okay. Yeah, because it didn't update it. It should have updated it already. Right. Tiles. Probably. I honestly have never been like a huge person to play Metroid games, but it looks pretty cool. It does look very good. It does look very good. Oh, right here. I was like, where am I going? I can't even find it. You're not gonna. Oh, it's not gonna give me the option for notepad because I set it. I had to unset it. Whatever. This works too. It's just fancy. Yeah, I got some. Yeah, some education and some researches. Right here. Right. I need to update this. Is that the only spot? Looks like it. Reload. No. Maybe should I close Godot because it didn't actually. You'd think that. I don't have my. Okay, let's see. I hope. Oh, it looks like it did. Maybe. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe not. No, it did. Good. Excellent. So now I can go to tiled, I think. I have way too many things open, so let's kill some stuff. Yeah. Now, when I do replace, was there some? Is that what that is? Uh, what am I trying to do here? Oh, we're gonna use it. Try. Yeah, water. Yeah, dungeon water. Okay, yeah. So I'm just gonna replace dungeon 1 water. Okay. Beautiful. Did I already put this on its own layer? I did. So I can just add it here. Replace string. Yeah, it's a little bit of a learning curve to figure stuff out, but it's not hard, really. It does. Oh right. Yeah, yeah. I just need to update, and then we can actually rearrange them. It shouldn't. It shouldn't. But yeah, yeah. And I can actually add these barrels in. I just don't have it in the. I don't have it in this yet. I wonder if I should add it. I guess I could add it. Um, and okay, give me a sec here. I think I need a barrel. Yeah. I'm there. I exist. Hello. I think I have to make a separate image for the barrel, unless I did it already. File new. File save as. Is it in here? Objects. Barrel. Does anyone see barrel? Nope, no barrel. Joseph B still here? He is. He's been so quiet. Yeah. It's just been so quiet, that's all. Oops, I saved it as 8. I didn't save it as a PNG. That's exciting. It was looking really good. I don't know if the other Joseph saw it at all. Did you see it? Oh yeah, I guess you popped on last week as well. Yeah, of course. Of course. uh, I have full faith in you. Are you gonna have? Are you gonna do anything like the hearts or anything right now? Like, or is that something you're gonna try and add in? Or are you gonna just avoid that right now? It is true. Fair enough. No, no, no. That's cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Then it's not that big a deal. Yeah, we've got a lot of other things to worry about. This is true. The bosses will be interesting to get into place for sure. Yeah, yeah. You're like, what is this? Yeah, totally fair. All right, so I guess I can still before I dungeon one. So the ground I have to actually have the water underneath as well, so it doesn't look weird. Turn this. Oh, how did I do? Oh, I did it here. Oops. I had to do this one weird because like there's so many narrow corridors of the water. But I got it. These are all gonna get changed around anyways. All right. Should we take a jaunt over to the dungeon one? Yeah, I do. It's not. It's not. Oh, every time I update tiled, it goes away. And so the last time I updated, it wasn't there, and I can never remember how to put it in. I'd have to ask you every single time. Like, how do you do that again? I think that was the plan, and I don't think it ever happened. Unless it's somewhere that I haven't seen and I forgot that they existed there. And this will be gone soon. That's not going to be there much longer. Joseph B, do you want to? Should we after we get the saving and this? Should I? Do you want to do another version publication? Because it's kind of another milestone almost, or do you want to wait till we get like? Yeah, the boss is technically on this milestone. Whether that's going to occur or not. Our goal is the end of the month. Yeah, part time. But the yeah, it's like really brutal. I know we really need to work. Like that's one of my biggest things that I want working differently, like post demo. Yeah, yeah. Well, there's no logic behind any of it, right? It is what it is. Yeah. Oh wait, I need the bombs. Go get the bombs. And oh yeah, there's camera jank still. Oh, and now it's gonna. And now I'm gonna be frozen on the text again. I don't know why that is. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I can't tell if it's because it's losing focus on the. I don't know. It shouldn't. And of course, the focus, the selection thing is off screen. Otherwise, I could just click with it on the mouse. Damn, it's not gonna. Damn it. Oh. What do you want me to see? Just give myself the bombs? No. Oh. I think you're thinking of main. I think you're thinking of main. Yeah, main is like the lobby. Eh. Oh yeah, that's. Oh yeah. What is it called? There's better ways. Ship entrance. Oh, hi Tom J. Sorry, I've been really bad on my YouTube chat tonight. Are we supposed to hear you, or who are you talking to? Can you not hear me again? Oh no. Oh no. I forgot to turn you guys on apparently.
Oh my gosh. That sucks.
That's super unfortunate.
Joseph, don't talk anymore.
Yeah, I've been like talking. No, I have no friends. I'm just talking to myself. That's unfortunate. I muted it because I was gonna not have us talking for a second, and I forgot to unmute it. Because I'm so good at streaming. That's funny.
Ship entrance.
Ship entrance. Da, da, da. Okay, so dungeon 1. Ship entrance. It was underscore, right?
Yeah.
I think I'm good.
Yeah.
Much faster. Much faster. Look at that. Holy moly, we have the technology.
Do
I,
not have to live like this.
I don't know why I didn't like ever decide that was a thing I should do. I just like walking through our game, okay? I like the scenic route.
Oh, the bats are cool too. Fuck.
I like the bats. I impressed myself in that.
Yeah, they're great.
There's a lot of things that I'm not going to worry about for the demo, obviously, but like go back and reanimate some stuff, like just add more frames of animation and make it just so much more clean and smooth.
Oh, yes. That looks good too.
It's satisfying too. Like breaking the walls is satisfying.
Yeah.
And then I could use this key to do it properly.
Yeah, do it properly. What is up with the camera though?
I don't know. The camera's janky.
I feel like the overworld is just broken, and we fixed it for the overworld, and then it broke other places.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Because there were other things that were just.
Because you look at it.
With... Yeah, that's
so bad. Wow.
Yeah.
It's so bad.
I don't know what's up with the overworld though, because we've had other issues with stuff like that in the overworld. I think.
Yeah.
Like, or like Z-index stuff or something. Like something about the overworld.
Yeah.
Is set up differently than everything else.
Yeah, somehow. It was in the early days of tile.
Yeah.
But I didn't go and get the bombs. Goodness me.
I thought you did.
No. Oh, I did. I'm just subconsciously going through the dungeon.
I think that needs a different graphic. That I feel like you should be able to bomb that wall.
To bomb this wall? Oh, yeah. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, when demoing this game to people, I have tried using the bomb.
Yeah, that was my intuition too, right there. I was like, oh yeah, there's a cannon.
That's fair.
Oh, this shit's cool too. Fuck.
I'm getting destroyed. These mushrooms, man, they're like.
When we were streaming with Jupiter and I died to the green slime, the boss fight of the bow dungeon.
That was funny.
That hurt my soul.
That just. All right, okay. Let's. Is this real? No. Shoot, I should have made.
Oh!
I should have made that real. It's not necessary, but. Oh, is this not gonna push now?
Is that water actually water? Can you jump in it?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Oh, you know why I'm silly? Because in tiled, I had to turn off the collision off of these guys. Dungeon tile set, because there's collision on them.
Oh. Wait, no, because it should replace those. There wasn't any collision. You were able to jump in.
No, so I made a layer underneath that's not animated on the ground, so that when you push it, you can't tell that block is gone.
Oh.
It's like a trickery thing going on.
Okay.
So yeah, see how there's blocks there.
Okay.
So that's why. Oops. Water. Oh, see, but that room doesn't actually have it though. So why? I feel like it should have worked.
No, this is not relevant at all, but it's something I just thought about and I wanted to say because I'm happy. Me and my roommates are getting a puppy.
You're getting a puppy? Oh, the commitment's real now.
Yeah. I mean, we're already planning on moving out together, so we're like in this. Now we're getting a daughter.
Oh goodness.
Already paid for. Just have to wait for the whatever. I don't know. But we're getting her soon. It's a cockapoo, and her name's Kimchi.
Kimchi.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I'm so
That's like cute.
excited.
It's
If you
adorable.
you
I'll
and
have to send pictures.
yes, you
Yeah. Yeah. Will do.
Legally required, by the way. You
will.
can't just say you have
Dog
a
facts.
puppy and not give pictures.
Yeah, you can't like not prove it.
Yeah, well, I haven't met her yet, but I could send the one picture that they sent me. Hold on, hold on. Oh, she's so cute. Ah! I think this is on the where they bought it from site. Hold on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god.
That's
Oh,
good.
so
I'm glad you're
cute.
excited. I am glad you're excited.
I'm getting a puppy.
Oh, see, I did add collision to. Well, there's collision here for some reason. Make sure there's no collision elsewhere. No, it looks like I'm safe. Did you post it in Discord, the picture? Or not yet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll look in a sec. I'll look in a second. I was like, couldn't figure out how I supposed to make the water look here. Do. Is that right? Good enough. I guess I should make that reset wheel real as well.
Ooh, true.
Oh, see, I didn't. Those are just decor. Those weren't actually the barrels. I just missed this room altogether. That's all that was.
Ah. Damn.
That would help. I'm like duping myself.
Gotta start somewhere.
I made it look so real that I just thought it was. Tiles as objects. I can't remember.
I actually gotta wake up early tomorrow, so I'm gonna head off.
Oh, all right, man. Well, thanks for coming
Yeah.
by.
Nice progress today.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
enjoy the puppy.
Oh, I
You
will.
better give it a lot of treats.
Oh, I will. All right. I'll see y'all later.
Later.
Have a good night.
You too.
All right, let's give this another go and see if I actually did it properly this time.
Cool,
Oh,
cool.
I have to-
I think I have everything hooked up for loading.
Ooh, that's exciting.
Like yeah, you can go to the loading
Thanks, Tom.
screen. You can load a game. You can delete a save or start a new game all from that screen.
Ooh, can you? Are you actually able to
There's
show
no
it
GUI
off?
for saving right now.
Okay, I was gonna say you're able to show it off.
I mean, I could show. Yeah, I can. I can fake a save.
Okay, let me. I'll go through the dungeon here, and then maybe afterwards, let's take a look.
Yeah, let me do a little. Let me go into the player script and I'll do some tomfoolery.
Also, people in chat, whoever's watching, are you more interested in me streaming at this time than my normal time? Like, is it easier to tune in when it's this time? Because I don't necessarily mind streaming later if it's easier for people to actually watch. Because I'd like to be able to actually be accessible for people to watch me during the stream.
Nah.
Let me know your thoughts.
No.
I wonder what I can do with the cannon wall to make it look more, to differentiate it. I can make it less cracked, maybe, I suppose. I was gonna say, and if you're watching this video after the stream, what time would you like to see so that you can actually tune in? That's also helpful. See, it, interestingly enough, it froze again on the text here. Why? I need to fix that problem. I wonder if it's whenever I have a key. Ugh. Let's see if it breaks again when I have the key. Man, this is so close to a full dungeon. Just a little bit longer. Eh, eh. All right. So now will the text work? Yeah, see the text work. Ah, I don't know. That's such a weird bug. Gonna have to really spend some time on that, I think. I also wrote that code when I knew nothing about Godot, so it's quite possible that I missed something entirely. I am definitely far from EST. Joseph B is Eastern. Right, Joseph B, you're Eastern, aren't you? I think you are. I don't know if he disappeared. Oh no, he's still here
I am
somewhere.
EST for now.
Oh yeah, that's
One
right.
day I might be Central.
Central.
But right now I'm EST for at least at least until 2022, and then situations might change. But for now, EST.
And I am Mountain Time. You know, the made up time. It doesn't exist. Oops. It's working. I just need to not fall down the holes. Yes. I have never made it this far into the dungeon before. Oh, I die. As I die. It's like I made it somewhere new. And that's the end.
Oh, I was asking a question, but my mute's mic'd. Mike's mute.
Oh,
Yes. That's the word. Where is Tetran stored in memory? aka like not like saved because I'm working on that right now.
where are they?
But I'm trying to use that to test if my savings working.
Whether it's working?
Yeah.
I don't even know. I'll have to look. I'll look with you just a sec here.
So there's like this ammo section, but I think that's just initial.
I broke this dungeon by accident. What did I even do here?
Let's see. Wait, Tetrans.
Well, either way, it's working! I just made the puzzle wrong. Did you find it?
Yeah, it looks like it's... Yeah, it looks like where I thought it was is at... Let me see. Global.ammo. Is this being overwritten any place?
Is it in global ammo? Ammo def, 100.
Yeah, that's at least where the UI is getting it. So...
Yeah, the UI, yeah, it's...
But when let me verify I'm actually...
Because if you...
loading this.
Hold on, where's the tetran.gd, which is in entities items? No, collectibles. tetran.gd. Export tetran's value 5. Called when the node enters the scene tree. So there's an enumerator, which I don't even know how that works. Global ML tetrans. Yeah, you're right. So it is being stored in global.
Okay, yeah, I think... Let's see. I think I just need to account for... Where is save display? Yeah. If... else...
Alright, let's go back to this map here and clean this up a bit. This is all going to change anyways. Nodding and I are going to like completely like redo this. This puzzle. It's not going to be the same.
Okay, it's failing to load the save. Perfect.
That's what you wanted.
It's an error. It's kind of expecting how I want, because I have a function that tries to load the save, and if it's successful with loading the save, so it's saying it doesn't exist.
So I can't find it?
Say that it doesn't exist. A sample save. Oh, is this a new rule I'm gonna have to add to save names?
I have all this stuff on the wrong water layer. No wonder it's all messed up. Let's just fix that. Oops.
I'm gonna get 2 tetrans this time.
2 whole is it like when you're trying to set up like a new PayPal account or whatever, and they like give you 1 cent just to check to make sure the account's working?
Okay, so it's still not working. Sad. Why isn't it? I do have a save, right? So if I go to my Godot, what is it? .var/Godot.
Jeepers, I did the wrong layer again.
I mean, it's not that var. It is that local good share Godot. Yeah. Then app user data. then TetraForce, and saves. And there it is. Let me delete the sample thing that wasn't working. Okay.
You figured it out?
Wait. Maybe? Let me see. So, no, never mind. Did not.
Son of a gun. I'm glad you're doing that and not me, just so you know. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. It'll work.
I know you'll figure it out. It was me who was afraid of not figuring it out.
Yeah, so pretty much it's looking to see if the save file exists, and it's saying it does not exist.
I just realized, what zone is this? It's totally a different zone. What is the point of me having that there then?
Okay. Okay, let me just do...
My dog is snoring quite loudly.
Aw.
He's a tired pupper. He had a hard day of doing nothing. A lot of work, you know.
Yeah, you know, you always think working takes energy, but
Doing nothing takes way more.
wait, am I that stupid? I might be.
Uh-oh.
That's funny. This works. I am...
Tom J's like, are the barrels full of salted pork? I would say so.
Okay. I got loading working.
Yay!
Kinda. Like, it's not fully featured, but also, I found a bug in
Oh.
our system.
Uh-oh.
Well, I found a, so, when you start a new game,
Yes.
the ammo value is not overridden. So, like, it's not reset. So, if you get one game with like, where you have like 10,000 tetrans,
Yeah.
then you press escape, exit to menu, and then new game.
Oh, it
you still
doesn't.
have 1,000 tetrans.
It doesn't reset it.
Yeah.
Well,
We never really noticed that because we weren't doing a whole lot of that, but I just loaded the save and it had
the same amount.
It did that.
Interesting. Not great, but interesting.
So what I can do is I can just take this and I will do put a const.
What is? Why don't I see the thing I need? I want those.
Where was the like reset?
Is it down here? Oh, I added it down here.
Ammo equals global. Initial ammo. Okay.
My tile sets are so unorganized now because I keep adding stuff after the fact.
Okay, there we go. That bug fixed.
Nice work.
So that and saving. It does not save position though. Like it'll just still load you at the. So here's what it saves right now. Also, there's no save button.
That usually
Whereas,
helps
well,
save things.
I have anytime you press the character P on the keyboard, it'll create a save file named example save. That is the current save system.
I think it's good. Leave it alone.
Yeah, chat. You think that is user friendly enough?
I feel like it's fine. No big deal.
Yeah, let me get these. So I'll save the ammo and network.states.
Nice.
That's currently all I'll save.
Yeah, that's the things that are actually retaining.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see about. I don't know what else needs to be saved. Those are the big things I know.
Yeah, those are the. Oh yeah, the amount of hearts. I suppose the how many spirit pearls / heart containers you have might that should be in states though actually. So I added that. I forgot I added that to states now. So it should.
Okay,
I think
that's the network.
it should be in states now because it wasn't before. But back in July or whatever. Whoa! Oh, I fell down a hole. I thought I disappeared, but I just fell down the hole without realizing it.
Okay, you want a demo of where saves are?
Yeah, sure. Let's
For you and chat.
Yeah, I want us to record it. That's the whole point of this dev thingies is to show it off. You're sharing a screen or not yet?
Yep. Should be there.
Watch
In a
stream.
second now.
All right.
Cool.
Okay, guys, this is our saving and loading. The makings of it.
So, if you notice, the single player button's gone. There is a quick start button here, which just does single player stuff. Same thing. Multiplayer, same thing. But now there's this fancy load game button. If you go here, it'll have your save. This 100% doesn't mean anything right now. Might in the future. Right now it doesn't.
Right now it doesn't.
There's only one save, so I am gonna delete that for an example here, where you just click delete and then you select the save. Eventually, this is gonna change the GUI and it's gonna like be nicer. But now we can go back and load game. You can see save is gone. It's gone forever.
It's gone forever.
Now if I load new game, oh sorry, I broke that button. Quick start. I'm in a game. Now let's go.
So you can find some Tetrans or something.
Collect some money here.
Oh, why is it lagging? Your stream is lagging. Probably because my internet is being unfortunate.
What if I make it smaller res?
I think your robot was talking to you in the background there.
Yeah, my robot was talking to you. I don't remember. I wasn't listening to it though, so.
Man, you're just not finding anything right now.
Yeah, I got 2, which is enough to show off, but I want more.
More money. All hearts. How are you not finding Tetrans? That's funny. Oh man.
There's a bomb. Okay, new patch of grass apparently. Luckily, there's plenty of it.
There is lots of grass around. I can't believe you're not finding Tetrans. Like it's because you're trying to show it off.
Big
there it is. There it is. Found a whole $5.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna clear out all this now. Like it's not. Oh, there we go.
Committed,
now we're getting them.
You've committed to cutting the grass.
Okay, and then you can't tell, but I'm hitting the magic save button, which is P right now. Can you hear the click?
I can hear the wonderful clicking noise. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm saved. Now I'm just gonna quit game because I haven't.
Oh, you weren't sharing. You were only sharing the game. So there it's popping back up again. Yay!
Yeah. So now if I go to load game, there's our example save.
Nice.
And if I click on it, 10 Tetrans.
Ooh.
So, and to show the capabilities of this, if we go here, smack some more, we get 11, and then we hit the magical save button, and we leave the game and load it.
You're still 11.
But if we leave quick start, we have 0. If we
the quick start is a brand new game.
Yep.
There you go. Look at that. That's awesome. That's so good.
So and in new game here is going to be the exact same as quick start.
Right.
Um, so
It'll start an actual new game.
yeah, the only reason I have a function. Here I'll actually go over to share screen over to Godot. See what I'm talking about. But I have in the save manager. This is called start game. It used to be new game.
Right. Yeah.
So that broke the button.
That's fair.
So I can just edit this to be start game instead of new game.
And it'll be all good. Like nothing was ever wrong.
Yeah, the big thing I do need to add in here is that on load right now, it only load saves on load. So if there's a new save file created, like if you start a game and then you save, it's not going to update this the save screen. It only it only searches the save folder once on start.
Oh, I
when
see.
It should be on load.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah.
That's good though. It's getting there. And you know what? I don't even know if I'd like. I mean, it's up to you whether you want to worry about like the player position or not. I'm okay if they start at the shrine, like every time they load. That doesn't really bother me.
Yeah, I don't think it's bad. I think.
So
honestly, I think it'd be really cool if we like in the if you could like go there and spend Tetrans.
Right.
And then that will be your safe, your like respawn spot.
Well, and I think like that'd be so. In A Link to the Past, you would unlock new save areas, so like they wouldn't be all accessible. So like in the beginning, you start off at Link's house, and then eventually you would get one at the Sanctuary, which is the church, and then you would eventually unlock one that was on the mountain. And so like as you were advancing through the game, you would unlock these new save. Like, and then so when you go to load the game, you could pick which area you wanted to start from.
Okay.
I don't mind that kind of idea. I think that's pretty cool. As you said with the Tetrans, maybe you could even purchase save spots.
Yeah, well, I was thinking it'd be cool. Like, I'm thinking like kind of World of Warcraft style, where you go to the tavern.
Yeah, exactly.
And you set that as your home spot. So now next time you log in, that's your that's where you load in.
Yeah, that would be pretty cool too. Something like that. I think that'd be a really neat mechanic to have.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, I'd still like people to be able to. I think it'd still be a good idea to allow to save from anywhere because.
Yes, I agree. I think
player game.
I agree. I think being able to save anywhere is super important, but loading from specific places is, I think, that would add a really like even from a randomizer perspective, that would add a really neat, like routing type thing. So like people would have to really think about where they like make their saves and stuff like that. If they maybe they can have like a couple different places they can save, but they have to actually set them. That'd be pretty neat. I think that'd be a very neat thing to have.
Yeah,
it's a cool idea.
Yeah, well, for now, minimum product. That's it. I'll put that in another stretch goal.
Yeah, of course.
In fact, I might look into setting up the system for that, but then like creating an issue for actually setting.
Yeah.
Like I'll make a variable in global, that's like put the position to load in.
Yeah. Okay, and then we can just add those positions.
Saved.
Yeah.
But by default, it'll just be a null value.
Yeah.
And it'll have to be set up.
Yeah, that's like how I did because it's the same thing with swimming. I have swimming on the back end ready to go, but it just needs to have its own issue and be finished up and set up. So that's something that actually exists already too.
Yeah, if you guys in chat are interested in either of these features, let us know.
Yes, prioritize them.
Because otherwise, we'll put it together. We'll create an issue for it, and it'll sit in limbo for too long
until we forgot what we did.
Yeah, well, yeah, and then we'll maybe pick it up again in the future. But at least there's so many unfinished features in this game.
Yeah, well, that's it. Like, I think like the boss system is the one of the next biggest things. That just absolutely has to get done. But after that, like everything is just kind of like fun, right? Like it's just adds to the game in a content way.
Yeah, and we, you know, it'd be really cool to have this as a full content finished game. as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, I definitely wanted
Um,
it to be a full game at some
you know,
point.
so that's gonna take iterating and a little bit of community support.
Yeah. Well, that's it.
Pointing at you guys in chat.
And that's it. And I'm hoping. Yeah, I'm pointing at you. I'm hoping to like yeah, as we finish this demo and we actually start showing it off, since we haven't really outside of our circles, we haven't really said much to anybody. So once we actually start showing it off, hopefully we like with
Just
the
don't
community.
let you load as you fall. Falling.
Just the last. You're like, would you like this to be your save point now?
Yeah. Actually, I'm thinking. So, do we have a penalty for death right now?
No, like if you die, you just respawn and that's it. Like there's no
Maybe we
penalty.
should like half your money or something.
Yeah, take away a bunch of your money, rob you of your money. Yeah, Zelda is not known for like, penalizing you for dying, but
Okay. Yeah. If we want to, I guess if we want to stay true, but
yeah, I mean I'm not opposed to something like that. We can see how it plays and feels for sure. I'm down to experiment.
yeah. I'm just thinking because right now there's no way to. We don't have a whole lot of ways to lose Tetrans, so they're kind of like a score.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, right now there's and then we're gonna have the store eventually, so you'll be spending your money there. And I'm sure there's other ways we can definitely think about like dying and spending or losing money that way.
Yep. Yeah, so that's why I was thinking like save points, you can spend money.
Yeah, I love that. I actually really like that idea.
The dying, you lose money, so it just hey, don't die, because if you die too much, when you get to the nice save location, you won't be able to save there. You'll have to load in from the shrine.
Yeah, exactly, from a previous place.
Or you'll just have to be a lawnmower a bit.
Yeah. Just cut the grass, be a landscaper. Start farming out some cash. I sure did. With my very rounded stick. That's one thing that I'd really like to eventually have too, is like different types of weapons. But the problem is the sword has very specific logic, and it's hard to create a system for it.
Yeah. Well, I think we'll be able to do that as a feature.
Yeah.
But, so
I think more importantly would be adding like new items rather than like different types of swords or whatever.
Yeah.
Like there's lots of ways to not worry about the sword. Because like there's boomerangs and hook shots and stuff like that we can add in. The shield, I still want to be able to add a shield. The Moblin's doing the work for me. He's killing the mushroom. Alright. Let's see how this works. I'm gonna like essentially finish this puzzle. Oops, as I jump in the water. And then I want to hit reset on the puzzle and see if it resets everything properly. Hey! Looks like it works. Look at all the things that are working tonight, guys. It's amazing. Saving and loading is working. The pushing barrels is working. Oh, I still have to move this up and over. Can't reset in this room yet. Oops. So, where is that? Oh, okay, so it's the top right corner. Let's fix that. Right there. Doesn't mean I want that there. Ah. I almost feel like it's too easy to jump in the water a little bit too. Like it's too sensitive to that. As nice as I made the water look, it needs work. Oh goodness. Oops, I didn't get that. Oh, I can't actually complete this. I don't know why I thought that that would work. Alright, let's just straight up fix this, I guess. Alright, let's try that. I keep forgetting I have to beat the dungeon in order to get to where I need to go. I keep trying to run to where I want to be. But there's actual dungeon to do. I also keep collecting keys, and I don't need all of the keys. I only need some of the keys. What do we have in next month's milestone? It's just monsters and bosses, right? I think that's all it is.
Yeah, and bug fixes.
Yeah, more bug fixes.
Because they're always bug fixes.
Yeah, that never ends. I need to really get down and dirty with that stupid dialogue bug. Oh, see, that's over in the wrong spot. Oh wow, that was. I feel like maybe you and I one day might have to sit down and like look at the holes and the water together
Yeah.
and see if you and I can come up with a better solution. Because it
Yeah,
ain't.
there definitely is that. There is definitely a way to do all that without the
Yeah,
which I'm guessing is the solution.
yeah. Because right now it's so broken.
Oh, I like that room.
Thank you. It's their dining room. I also noticed that they're. Oh no, never mind. I was just out of his range. I thought the monsters were resetting on me. I'm just out of his range. Oops. See, it's so easy to fall down into the water. Oh, I forgot to fix that too. Oh, no, that one's... Man, I keep missing stuff when I'm trying to work on this. Or I'm putting stuff on the wrong layers, whichever. You can tell I'm sort of sleepy. Dungeon 1, water. Eventually I'll be able to beat this puzzle.
Maybe.
Maybe. I just want to get through the dungeon, man. I want to see the end of the dungeon.
Okay, so if I do, if I edit this to point at a different function, edit, it's going to do that, and instead it's going to pass in. Can I not pass in itself?
Can you do that?
I was hoping that I could pass in itself with the. I mean, I know I can, but I might need to do it programmatically instead of the GUI. But the GUI is the way to do it here. I guess I do it. I'll do it in GUI's me. I'll do it the way I prefer instead of the way it's meant to be done. Oh no.
Bending the rules.
Oh, I don't even need to, but whatever. It makes more sense this way anyway.
Alright. I think I've actually got it this time. Let's attempt it again. Thanks, Doggy Dog. Yeah, still going. All this time later. I know it's taking a while. We're getting there. At least for a demo. Not for a full game, but a demo.
Oh, I just broke.
Did you break it?
I disconnected the wrong thing.
Oops. Unplugged the wrong plugin.
It's easy fix, though. Just funny. Because I'm like, I'm trying to start a new game. Why isn't it working? Oh, because disabled that capability.
We'll just chalk it up to it's past midnight there.
Cool. I broke it again.
Oops.
Okay, how? Looking at match statements again. Here.
Die, mushroom. Die.
Do I have to? Oh, maybe I have to do this. I thought it was it's an empty array. Oh. Yeah, I'm
Having a moment?
I just don't. I did something wrong, but I feel like it was reasonable. Yeah, there we go.
I'm gonna die before I get to the puzzle. Oh, I forgot to move the wheel. Oh, this is Dog said this is so clean. Thank you. It's getting there for sure. It actually looks almost like a game. I'm just playing a game at this point.
Clean.
Well, I mean,
TetraForce clean.
Look at the upside down. This room isn't
Yeah.
clean. Look at there's an upside down stool.
Andrew, cover the errors on your screen.
Cover the errors.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. Oops. There's no
Cover the
errors.
ceiling.
There we go. Just sweep it under the carpet. The nice big green carpet that has holes in it. I'm so close to being dead. If I fall in the water, I'm done. Oh, I forgot to fix the doors over here. I think I'll have to do that. I have to move this over too. Alright, we're still not quite done cleaning this up, but that's okay. I don't know why I'm spending so much time trying to make this puzzle work when we're going to be changing it. I guess I just want it to work. What the heck? It's still not... Did it not re-import? I feel like it... Or I didn't erase... No, I did erase it. What? Round. Water. Y4, U4, stuck 4. No crash, no errors. No errors whatsoever. Definitely never have errors. First try on everything. I wish. Is there... See, there's no collision there. Is there something else in my impeding? No.
Is it not actually a barrel? No,
It is this time. It is this time. It's actually a barrel. That's what I did the first time, and I just don't think I re-imported it properly. I feel like that was something that may have occurred.
That's something tiled would do.
Try it again. Alright, through the dungeon again. I'm going to be able to speedrun my own dungeon, no problem. As I fall down the hole from the mushroom.
I think you've done that at least 3 times on the stream.
Probably, if not more. The mushrooms get me every time, man. They've got knockback. and the physics is weird.
Okay, so if I could delete a save. I guess I need to create saves now. Work. Okay, so let's see, how is this gonna work? So if I go to the escape menu, which is something I made, so it should be easy, right?
You would hope.
Say, add a button for saving.
Oh my goodness, I keep getting hit. Getting sloppy.
Func on save. Yes. Connect. On save. Okay, let me make sure that. Okay. Cool. And save.
I need the key. Give me the key. I'm not gonna lie.
Actually, we can create a save hock. Let me actually do that. I'm gonna keep that.
You're gonna make a save a separate
Hock.
thing? Oh, hockey.
Quick save. Quick save. What's the quick save key in Skyrim? 'Cause that seems like a quick save key Skyrim.
Why is this
That
thing
is F5. Okay. So if you press F5, that will act as a quick save.
F5?
I
Nice.
will- So it's going to be in the input control. So it'll be. I guess I could hook that up to be changeable as well, but we'll see. Actually, that shouldn't be hard. Let me. Where should I put this code? Because I could put it. I guess I could put it anywhere with a loop. I guess I could do it in player.
Yeah.
Though
I just killed
I
myself.
only
I
want to do it in a. Only want to do it if in a certain state. So which state should it be in?
Probably the default state.
Just default.
I think so. That's where all the other loops are like mostly called. And we can add it to whatever other states we feel like we actually need to add it to later on if we need to. Those reset wheels, I keep moving them around and I can't get it to where I want it. So that's annoying.
Okay. So quick save should now work.
Nice.
So quick save. I mean, it kind of doesn't have a.
Ah, I did it again.
Actually, we'll just do a.
Oh my goodness. I need to fix the water.
I'm gonna create a quick save function. So.
And this one doesn't want to push. I don't understand why. Yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do here with this barrel. This also seems to need to be moved. Oh. Can't remember how to. Ah, there we go. That should be fine. Whoopsies. Where am I? Right here. Is that halfway? That looks halfway. I don't like doing it that way. Not the best solution there. All right, let's take a look at this second barrel here. Let's delete it. I'm wondering. Oh, there was 2 barrels on top of each other. Nah. That's why, guys. Good thing you suggested deleting it, Tom. Who knew? 2 barrels are heavier than 1 barrel. That's all those salted porks get heavy. Oh, I did it again. I knocked myself down the hole. It'll work this time, I promise. Everything should be perfect. I said that 3 times in a row now. I'm giving away all the dungeon secrets. Everyone's gonna know how to beat the dungeon because I've done it like 30 times. What fun is that?
Just redesign it all.
The day before, yeah. We'll just redo the dungeon. This is just for mechanics, right? We're just trying to get the mechanics working. This isn't the final game. I mean, which is technically true of the demo. It doesn't mean it's the game. Whatever that game looks like.
Okay.
Alright, now the reset wheel is in the right spot. But it's kind of blocked by the HUD, so that's kind of unfortunate. I didn't really think about that. I don't know why I didn't think about that. I was looking at it the whole time. Okay, this is just temporary. These puzzles will be different. Ow, I'm getting shot left, right, and center.
Come on, I need 1 Tetrand.
And you can't find it again.
Just 1. I've cleared almost all the grass. And not a single one. I have cleared all the grass of the shrine. Not 1. Oh, and there's a 10.
That's funny.
There,
Oh.
Okay, quick save test.
I forgot
There
it.
we go.
Groups of arrows.
Jesus Christ.
You did it. Now you're rich.
Oh, I just realized I still share my screen to you. Nice.
Oops.
Are
you still sharing?
Yeah. You should be able to see TetraForce right now.
I just killed myself again. Hold on. I don't have Discord open. Yes, I can still see it.
Yeah, well, I did this.
Oh, you have a lot of quick saves. Hold on.
Yeah.
I gotta keep losing.
I'm gonna just press it a few times. Can you hear the?
Yeah, we can hear it.
Okay.
That's a lot of quick saves. It actually has quick save though, which is kind of cool.
Yeah. So if you press so this is currently the only way to save. This button doesn't do anything right now.
That's what you're gonna work on. Yeah. Yeah.
So but if you press F5, and so I'm gonna get 20 now. Gonna quick save a few times. It's hard to tell. Exit, load, and I'll load an old one. It's 10.
Yeah. Load.
Recent one.
And it's 20. Look at that. Nice.
So
It's coming along.
yeah, I'll just keep it on Godot, so you can stare at my screen. It's only fair.
That's funny. If I stop killing myself, I might get through this push barrel puzzle. I'm very close. I just want to get to the red cannon. I want to see the mythical third red cannon that no one has ever seen before. Just like the Friday that doesn't exist. Oh, yeah, it's so sensitive to like fall in the water. Ah, see, so sensitive.
So, is this water something you could swim in to get swimming?
Yeah, you could.
That's funny. So, like, once one player has swimming, they'll just go straight. Hey, follow me. I
Yeah.
can see that happening.
Just like go swimming through it. Yeah, it's gonna slow down because I'm already almost killed myself and I haven't even made it to the part that I made it to last time. Oh, I didn't delete it. Oh, it's so sensitive. I'm not happy about that. Oh, I killed myself again.
Okay.
Obviously, that's gonna have to be fixed. That's not gonna be very fun for people if they can die that easily. It's not for me, and I'm the one making it. I'll work on it. I will refine it. I could also make them so it's not like a single wide piece of wood. That will help. Oh my goodness. I have to like walk so carefully.
Just like real.
Start over.
I wonder. You gotta be. Probably like almost pixel perfect, don't you?
Yeah, it feels like it, which is super not intuitive. See, look at like I wasn't even. It's like
You literally just jump in if you're like, oh no. You know, I got my toe wet, so might as well go for a swim.
yeah, exactly. Just jump on in. You know why? Because I think it's actually the collider that's being used, and so of course the collider's in front of the player.
Yeah.
Come on, we can. Don't jinx me. This barrel must have. Does that barrel have two barrels? No, it didn't. Why is it not letting?
Is the water messed up or?
Shouldn't be. How many times do people want to watch me do this? That's interesting. That
Probably more than they should.
probably more than, yeah, probably. I wonder if it's because this barrel is pushed in here and it's stopping this barrel from working. But we tested that. I'm sure. Um, so with the water, doggy dog. It's the same code that uses it like when you're falling into holes, and a lot of that has to do with just knowing where the player's position is. The code grabs the player's position and like tweens it or something like that. I don't even know entirely. It was something that Fornclake did, and I never took the time to like reinvent the wheel or anything like that. I didn't look at it that closely. Obviously, though, it has enough inherent problems that it needs to be looked at and reworked. Because that's not going to be very fun for people if they're falling in that easily. And as I said, I'm pretty sure it's because there's a ray collider in front of the player, and it's calculating the falling before the player even gets to the water. And that's no good. So we'll look at that, because obviously that'll make this whole puzzle pretty much impossible to do. As you can see, I've tried like 30 times now. Minus me not having barrels work for some reason. It does. So I think I take a whole heart of damage, both the holes and... So I'd die, right? Which I don't even necessarily know if that needs to be that much. I don't remember how much it does in actual Zelda. Like a Link's Awakening, I don't know how much damage the hearts do. If it's a full heart or not. Um, I'll have to look and I'll have to do some research and see. I don't remember. I wonder if I'm gonna cheat, guys. Watch this. I'm just gonna cheat. I'm gonna move the entrance right up here.
That won't cause any bugs.
No, this is definitely totally 100% safe and legit. Yes. I totally didn't update the water in the one spot either. See, when I can hug the wall like that, it's no problem. Easy peasy. I just realized I could totally just go across here. The final cannon! Except it's the first cannon, so... Ha! Yeah, see, this barrel still won't let me push it for some reason. I don't 100% know why. Let's play around with it. I'll move it down here. See if it lets me push it there. Now that I'm closer, I don't have to go through the dungeon 1,000 times.
Oh.
Oh?
Why didn't that work? Did I do that in the wrong order?
No, I was doing so good. No, I was doing so good.
Okay, if I go to...
Oh, I keep doing that. Jeez.
Okay.
I'm gonna rage quit my own game.
Maybe let's assign to
Oh my goodness. I died.
to fix it.
Yeah. That's for sure.
What is this? Start game?
Oh, you just really can't go fast at all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
See, this is why I play my game over and over again, so you guys don't have to go through this.
How do I view is visible here in the viewport? In the inspector, sorry. Okay.
I'm too scared to like
Is
try and
visible.
move.
Oh, but the game's on top, isn't it? Okay, what if I do player select?
So I can push that. I can go across. Does it push now? Now it pushes. It must be something to do with the barrel being pushed beside it. Interesting. I didn't think that was a problem, but apparently it is. The falling down holes does half a heart, hey? Wonder. You're right. Or sorry, did you check the holes in our game? Is that what you're saying? Or did you check? Oops. Oh, in Link's Awakening. Yeah. So yeah, I think half a heart does seem more fair. You're right, because a heart is a lot. Like that's punishing, man. Especially when you have such a small amount of health like we do. Let's go see if I can find that. I don't remember where. I think it's in State Hole. Hmm. Oh, I think it's an entity because it also affects the enemies. I want to say entity. That's the whole effect. Loopholes. Hole fall. So where's the damage? Oh, I think it's being set here. Or maybe it's actually in hole itself. Hole.gd. Oh, .tscn. I don't know where it's actually saying the damage for holes and water. Interesting. Is it in player? Hole fall. No, see, that's just setting, just hiding the person. It'd be handy if phone click was here.
Okay, sorry. What are you looking for?
Oh, I'm trying to find the damage. I'm trying to reset the damage of how much holes and water do, and I can't find where it's actually doing the damage.
Okay, where is hole? Tiles?
Yeah,
Yeah, holes.gd.
yeah, but I don't think it's setting the
And-
damage there.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, damage 1. I think I just found it, guys. Hold on here.
Yep, that's it. That would, I think, be it. That looks right.
Let's go fall in some water. Except I keep going into the entrance by accident because I can't see it.
Zero.
Oh, how come I...
You took damage.
Oh, I did take damage from them. Okay, good. Yeah. There we go.
You know, maybe it should be 10 hearts.
Yeah, insta-death. You drowned. You just don't know how to swim. That's your problem.
Yeah, unless you go to our Patreon, then you get 20 hearts. Sorry, not 20. 2,000.
2,000 hearts.
1 heart. Well, actually, let's just make it 1 heart per dollar.
There you go.
You know.
That seems pretty fair transaction. I'm going to move this down here. I want to test.
What was I doing? Okay, so I have...
No. Half a heart definitely feels better. So it's interesting, Joseph. If I push that barrel, I can't push the next barrel in front of it.
Probably something to do with the...
The collision?
my guess is that when it... The reason I think this is something with the block code is whenever, like, in what case...
I'll just skip the barrel by like throwing myself like a skipping stone across it.
And then, like, the wavy effect is so good. But I was saying, in what case would you be able to be on top of a and pushing a block at the same time? There isn't. So I'm guessing it's something that the block doesn't account for, and therefore the...
Yeah, it doesn't seem. I guess we'll just have to make sure we, when we're planning the puzzle, like redoing the puzzle, we just have to plan to not do that, I suppose.
For until we should see if there's like a game hackathon out there and just have other people fix our bugs.
Yeah, hack our game and make it better. Get rid of all the problems. Please and thank you.
I will. If anyone in chat wants to just fix all of our bugs, I will mail you a golden sticker per bug.
Ooh, and it'll be a sticker in the shape of a bug. It'll be like a golden bug.
How much are those on Amazon?
Oh, we better look this up first.
Golden bug sticker. Well, I mean, if that's close enough, there. Yeah, I can do that.
You can make that work.
Get like a ladybug.
A lady?
Yeah,
is it actually a golden ladybug?
It's
all right. Link this in Discord here. I want to see this golden ladybug.
Oh, that's an amazing quality image.
Wow. I just see a grid. It looks like little pointillism.
That's it.
That's definitely a little golden ladybug. That's okay, I guess.
Yeah, like it passes. It's that's the only sticker I'm seeing. Oh,
Oh.
here's a bee with a crown.
Golden bug
Kinda creepy, though.
sticker. Wow, I feel like I need to make something.
Yeah, do you have like a sticker printer? How much is a sticker printer? But that, like, then you need like.
I work in a print shop.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you could do that.
See,
But,
we could do a bug. See, look at this. This is nice. Look at that.
yeah, you could just use your entire design team.
Yeah, that's right. I'll use my entire design team just to make a golden bug sticker for us.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna lose money on it, so it's not like you're gonna get sued.
That's right. See, look at that. That's a nice gold bug. So whenever I think of that, I think of the golden thief bug in a row. Ragnarok. And the rare item that he dropped was the golden underwear. And you'd wear the golden underwear on your head.
I see. So, yeah. So, if you fix a bug, Andrew will
I have gold. I will
give
have
you
gold bug stickers.
Yeah, and
The shipping will
I
probably
will,
cost more than the sticker itself.
Yeah.
That's funny. That's so funny.
Okay, where was I at? I was trying to make things work here. What was I doing?
Well, I'm trying to debate how to make this this puzzle sort of work.
Yeah, you're trying to make that.
I don't really care anymore. Oh goodness, I got to the red cannon, so though I'm gotta figure out.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you're trying to the position of it?
Yeah, I have to like manually position this because the center point in Godot is weird for them, but they're like not pixel perfect, so they look like they're. The thing is when you do this, if it's not pixel perfect, in Godot it looks like they're floating, like they kind of like move around weird. The cannons do it too, and that's a Godot thing. I've tried to look that up. Ow! Get out of my way. Is that better? Yeah, now it's not doing weird stuff. That's good. And then if I move all of them, or just a few of them, let's go around in a circle. Make sure everything is hunky-dory. Reset this room. Hooray! It is working. That's all that matters. Just need to make the water less janky. You know what? I realize what the other problem with this is. This water comes much closer than if you were to start in the shrine. And I think that's part of the reason why this water feels less good than the other water when you get close to it. Because main, let's change this back. Can I control Z in here? Yes, I can. Wonderful. Yeah, it's just too sensitive.
Right.
All right. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a night on the stream. We made good progress tonight, both on the saving frontier and this puzzle dungeon. I'm not gonna show off the new puzzle dungeon once it's ready, so that way people will actually have a new experience when they play it. I'm gonna try and fix the water, hopefully soon too, so that way it's a little bit less frustrating. Because that's no fun. I don't want that to be that frustrating, so that's something to keep in mind. And yeah, again, just to bring it up, if you're watching this after the fact, let me know what time you would like to see me stream. What works better for you? If it's later, like I did tonight, on the weekends, if you'd rather. I like Friday nights personally because that way I have my weekends to do other stuff, or even work on this in silence when I can concentrate. But yeah, let me know. I'm interested to see what you guys think. So I think that concludes it for tonight. If you haven't, check us out on TetraForce.io. You can play this game, download it, play multiplayer. You like the 9 p.m.
Like and
EST.
subscribe to the Retro Dragon.
Yeah, thanks. Yes.
And follow on Twitter.
Yes, if I try and stream lately, I try and stream every Friday. So yeah, if you subscribe, you won't miss out on that. So be sure to do that. And thanks, Joseph V, for joining me tonight. Really appreciate it. And thank you, Tom and Dog and everyone else who popped in tonight. Hopefully, I'll see you guys next week. And thanks for the comment on the time, Tom. Appreciate that. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great night.
Thanks, everyone.